Hello everyone, I would like to quickly show you how to install GCC, so install a C compiler and a Fortran compiler on Appel Silicon Macs. So they are relatively new, so they were released in less than 2 years ago, and at the beginning it was not so clear how to install the compilers. Sometimes you could do it using the Rosetta translator or emulator, but soon after that, native G-Fortran compilers were available. So in fact, you can see now that they are also available both for the new operative system and also for the Appel Silicon. So the idea is that I will quickly show you how to install it. It's relatively easy, but if you make the mistake of using, for example, Rosetta for installing the standard x86 compiler, you may have problems. So I will just quickly show you how to install it natively, so then you can run any Fortran or C program that it will work properly on Mac. So then what we are going to do is, I recommend you to just use Homebrew for downloading packages. So this is the web page. I will put the link in the description below. And what I did yesterday, it's very simple. So just let me bring the notes here. So it's just 3 steps. So first we will install Homebrew. Then we will do some configuration steps that are also very straightforward. And then we will start the GCC package, so you can have G-Fortran and also C compiler on your computer. Okay, so then if you go to the web page that you have in the description below, you will have this sentence. That is the same one that I'm including here. So this is the terminal from yesterday's compilation. And the idea is that if you click this, then Homebrew will start installing. At some point, it will ask you if you want to continue with the process. And if you type enter, you will continue. And then it will install all the related things to Homebrew. And then it will end at some point that is here. So this is the final point, and you will receive a warning, in my case at least, that Homebrew is not in your path. So in my case, I tried to install the compiler after that, but it says that the command was not found. And then if you read the description, it says that the next steps that you need to take is to just add Homebrew to your path. And this is what I added here in this text file. So you need to add these 2 commands. After the installation, you will receive the proper path that you need to add. In my case, as my user is Carlos, that is my name, I just need to add this. So then in this line, I added what it was written above, and then I click enter, and I also added this one. And then following the instructions, I added brew help just to check that everything was working. And if you can see, there's no issues. So then I continue with the last step, that as you can see here is just installing GCC. Okay, and with that, you can see that the code will work. I will download all the libraries and packages necessary, and then it will finish here. Okay, and then if you type G-Fortran version, you will get this message. Okay, so then as you can see, it's very simple. I will add in the description the link, and also these notes, I will add them so you can follow them. But essentially it's just install Homebrew, then follow the instructions that will appear at the end of the installation process, and then finally just type brew install GCC, and this will install the G-Fortran and the C compiler. Okay, I hope this is helpful, and bye, see you next time.